So we're going to check out the motion of the cams and check out how much measurement will actually happen. So inside of the package you should have a zip file. You want to extract all of those into your main projects folder. So I have both of them right here. If we go up, I can still go to open. I can go into my, it's going to be an Autamata simulation is where mine's going to show up. So it was inside of my Dust in a Minute in my thaw space drive. So we go into Autamata simulation. These were automatically extracted, and I'm going to go ahead and leave it like it is. So this is a nice little sample template box. You can actually put your cams in there, and we'll have another video on that, how to assemble and get those on here and get them to match up just right. But at this point we're just going to look at how we can actually make things move and how we can make that motion happen. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up the other simulation test, and you're going to notice that it has the ruler here to the side, and if we move, basically it's the same thing we had in the previous one, only this one has the cam on it, this one has the box. So in one of these we're missing the box, and the other one we're missing the cam. So this cam is on here, it's constrained on here, and so it will actually move with the handle. We can't physically turn the handle because it is set up to be driven. So to drive that, we're going to move over here to the side, and you're going to notice there are some angle constraints. This one would actually turn our follower, which we don't want to happen. But if we come down here, there's our transition layer. Here's our angle that's actually showing what angle our cam is in reference to something else. So that's what we actually want to do. If you would like, you can actually just cancel that out. If you would like, you can actually just change the number here so we can turn it by just a little bit. So we could say 75, which is fairly useful if we want to come over here to the side and we want to actually look at our measurements, if we want to do that slowly. If we would like for this to move and continue to move, we can go over here and go to drive. So we're right clicking, we're going to go down and left click on drive. It will allow us to choose where our start point is, where our end point is. We can also choose some delays inside of there. We can put a large number in there just to keep it going. So it'll spin for quite some time. We can actually reverse the direction also. So once we hit play, it will actually cause our cam to start moving. Now if you're trying to actually measure using the ruler, you might have a little trouble catching up with what it's actually doing there. So you might want to slow it down, or you might want to pause, or you might want to choose small increments and then record your data as you go. But that's how we can actually check and look at our automata motion by using the drive command.